you. Stop the recording.
Does he even know the meaning of nude? Like, does he know the difference between new and nude? New is already a past form of the word no. There cannot be nude. I mean, like, I did not know whether I should laugh or I should cry. Yes, Abdullah Saqib. I am sure you don't, did not bide your cards and the toys that you have. Get it. Thank you, Saklet. Okay. So I hope you get at the end and not embarrass yourself. First objective of this class is to not embarrass yourself during communication with other people. Okay, so we really need to work on our verbs and get to know what our verbs are. Yes. So Mandela, are you ready with me? Yeah.
Yes,
To
ma'am.
save yourself from embarrassment, up for it. Let's go. You chick, big chick, red chick. Very good. Okay, there he is. Saklen started with his hilarious comments. All right. Now, verbs are action words. So let me see how far do you already know about verbs. So I'll give you a worksheet.
Ma'am, share
Okay.
screen. Share.
How about you open? I'll share my screen, but before that, how about you open your black spiral notebooks? Open to English section.
Ma'am.
Yeah. And write verbs over there. The title, put the title
I knew
verbs.
that.
Write today's date, of course. And write exercise 1 or worksheet 1. I don't know. Just name it whatever you want to.
Only because of one thing I can do.
Okay. In this, I expect you to directly write answers. All right.
Ma'am,
Kindly
the
directly write
heading.
answers. Verbs. The title, you will put verbs.
I'm done.
There it is, right in front of you.
Ma'am, I can't see
So
anything.
these,
Jump it.
Let me share it again.
I can only
Now
see.
can you see?
I can't see the video, but I
Okay.
can see there is a like thing. What is that triangle like thing shape?
Triangle like thing?
I think an orange, red. I don't know what is it called.
No, there's nothing as such.
A VLC media.
There's a worksheet.
Yeah, there's a
I
worksheet.
can't see a worksheet.
There has to be a worksheet.
I can see a video.
The teacher dash.
Maybe your window you
Ma'am,
open
she's
another
saying
window.
that.
Safra,
Ma'am.
please stay on Zoom.
Acha.
Ma'am, she's saying that she's seeing a VLC app logo.
Video. Why are you watching videos?
Ma'am, how do I know?
Coach.
Who will know that?
Second
Okay.
Teacher.
Get started. Come on. The verbs are given in the box. There are 11 sentences in which you have to use those particular words. Get started. Write direct answers. The teacher, write the answer, complete the sentence. Come I'll give you 3 minutes.
The baseball player ran the ball over the line. Where the human?
Safia, mute yourself. I muted you. Ha, ha, ha. La, 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 la.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of depreciated?
To reduce. Appreciate ka depreciate.
And that he identified how to write a paragraph is correct, na?
Ma'am, I didn't get what is words.
Depreciate. So depreciate is the opposite of appreciate. I see. No? What's the sentence? The sentence is the car dash in value reduced, depreciate, decrease. Stop that. Two more minutes to go.
Ma'am, how many questions are there? 10, right?
11.
I can see 10. Can you put a little down?
Sure. But there are 11, right?
I could only see 10, that's fine. Now it's fine.
Now, okay.
Done.
Yeah.
Perfect. You have a minute to go.
I'm done.
Okay, Farhana, Sakleen, excellent.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. 3 people done. All right, I'm stopping my screen. Share. Completed, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, done, ma'am.
All right, let's go. Sakleen completed first. I'm going to give him chance to discuss the answers. Sakleen, tell us what's the answer for the first one.
Demonstrated.
Okay, everybody, that's correct. Did you get demonstrated?
Yes.
Okay, that's put a tick mark. All right, second. Sakleen, second.
Hit.
It, that's correct. Third.
Coached.
Coached. Fourth.
Launched.
Yes. Fifth.
Then depreciated.
Okay, that's right. Sixth.
Ran.
Ran. Why is Abdullah Sakab answering? Seventh.
Huh, ma'am?
Sang.
1 minute. Sang. Seventh is sang.
No, ma'am, it is stretch.
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 Stretch. Saklen. Kindly correct. Okay. Eighth, Saklen.
Jumped.
Right. Nine.
Comforted.
Correct. 10.
Identified.
Yes. And 11.
And
Hang. That's right. Okay. So if you've got it all right, then it's all right and very good, Malik. And just in case if you had made mistakes, that is not a problem. You rectify your mistakes. All right. Now, Abdul, perfect, Safia, perfect. Humaira, give me 5 verbs. Any verbs, not from the ones that you've written in the worksheet. Any verbs. Just give me 5 verbs. Any random verbs.
Okay.
Yeah.
Jump.
Jump. All right.
Cry.
Cry. Very good.
Play.
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 Walk.
I guess there's only one Humaira in class. Yes, Humaira.
Eat.
Eat. Very good. Last.
Drink.
Drink. Okay. Now, children, tell me if I have to change these verbs into the past form, what am I supposed to do?
I
Add
jump.
ed. Ed you will add.
ED.
ED, in which word will I add
ED or
ED?
IED?
Jump.
First one.
Cry.
Jump.
You will only
The
add.
first word, so it will
Play.
be JUMP, ED.
ED.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Cry you will add IED.
Cry, I will add IED. So
And
I
why
will write
will not
the
be
word.
there? Why will not be
Thank
there?
you, Muni. Thank
You'll
you,
drop Y,
Muni.
ma'am.
Okay. Yes, I'll drop
Played
Y
will
and
be
I will write ED.
ED.
IED.
will come.
ED.
Okay, played, I'll
ED.
add ED. Lovely.
ATE. 8.
8.
ATE.
E
The whole
will
word
become
will change,
8.
ma'am.
Okay, the whole word changes. Lovely.
Drink.
Drank.
Instead of
Drank.
I, A will be there.
Will come.
Drank
Oh,
or
yeah. Drank.
Excellent. Excellent. Okay. Now you tell me one thing. Explain one thing. There are certain words that I have to add ED or IED in it. All right. And then there are certain words that change completely. That change completely. Okay. Like eat became ate in its past form.
And because if you say eater, it doesn't pronounce nice.
Okay. It doesn't sound nice. That is what you're saying.
And that grammar is also wrong.
But drink, तो drink हो सकता है ना?
Drank होता है मैम.
Drunk also.
And
हो सकता है,
drink is present tense. And not
Okay, lovely. Okay. Now the reason there are EDs only, ED or IED in only specific verbs is because those are regular verbs. What are they?
Regular words.
regular verbs.
Regular verbs. Okay. And the reason that there is the word changes completely, like the last two that you gave me, these are called irregular verbs. Okay. So because they are regular verbs and you have to change the tense, if you have to put it in the past form, it is very simple. Okay. You just have to add ED, or if the word is ending with Y, you drop the Y and you write IED. Okay. And that's about it for the regular verbs. But when it comes to the irregular verbs that you use, and that is where people make most of the mistakes, like no will become new. It will not become
Node.
Or node.
node or nude. All right, that's not going to happen because no in itself is an irregular verb. Okay, so it is very important for you to identify and know your irregular verbs. Regular verbs are just normal verbs that you use, okay, in which we can add ED or drop by and add IED. Okay, so are you with me?
Yes.
Did you get so much? Did you get this?
Yes.
The verbs are into two types: regular verbs and irregular
Irregular.
verbs. Yeah, irregular verbs are verbs that change the spelling in itself, or they come out with a new verb. in its past form. Cool, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes,
How about
ma'am.
I give you a word? Sing will become
Sang.
Irregular
Sang.
verb.
sang. It's an irregular verb and it will become in its past form. What will it become?
Sang.
Sang.
Sang. Lovely. Dig.
Ma'am, sung will also be.
Dug.
Is sung also a word?
Yes.
Sung is
Dug.
also a word. Okay.
Dug.
Dug. Very good. Build.
Build it.
Build.
Built. Built.
Built. Yes. Instead of D,
It
we are
is
going to
also
write
irregular verb.
T. Yes, that's an
T.
irregular verb. Okay. Now, I will give you irregular verb, or rather, let me just divide you into two teams. Okay, I'm going to divide you into two teams,
Girls and
and
boys.
I have a set. No, not girls and boys. I have a set of irregular verbs in its past form already. Okay, so they have been put in their past form already. What you have to do is you have to write the present form of that.
Okay.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
So the teams are Abdullah, Farhana, Eminem, Humaira, Ahmed. Alright, let me put you in the breakout room. 2 rooms, manually, create room, assign. What did I say? Abdullah, Farhana, Eminem,
Eminem.
Humaira, and Ahmed. That's right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. The second remaining ones.
I'm Munib.
Oh, we have Dawood Ved in class.
Man.
Mira, Dawood, Munib, and Sakleen. You go in the other room.
Why did you?
Join.
Hello.
Which verbs do we have to make?
How do I know?
Ma'am just said that she had irregular verbs card list.
What verbs did ma'am give us, but?
No,
didn't
she
give
didn't
one
give
list.
anything. She just sent us in breakout room.
She'll give us now.
Don't know.
I'm told it.
Ma'am, you have made me the host. What should we do?
Where did ma'am vented?
Because we have option. I can't answer why make me the host. Ah, shit. Please name. Shoot.
Do we have to wait till ma'am will give us the words?
I guess.
Should I invite ma'am to the meeting?
You have an option?
Yes, invite her.
Yeah.
Option.
Then do. Do that.
I already did that.
So
It's saying that host is currently helping others. Please try again later.
I have an idea. Wait.
Oh, ma'am came.
Yes.
And what do we have to
Ma'am, what words do we have?
Right. I'm going to share my screen. The right hand table will already have irregular past tense. Okay, past verbs.
Okay, ma'am, you
have to
accepted
write
the
the-
invitation.
You have to write the present form. Okay. So this is your table, this right hand side.
Ma'am.
Okay. Take a screenshot, somebody. Just take a screenshot
Who's
and
one?
share your screen with the other fellow
Ah,
mates.
fine.
The annotation is disabled.
Animation will be disabled. You have to take a screenshot.
Ma'am, the right hand column
The
is
right.
ours, right?
The right side. The word starting with built and ending with wrote.
How do they?
Ma'am, how will I take screen?
Ma'am, I can take
on a
screen. I don't
laptop.
know. I don't know where it gets saved. It does not get saved only.
Ma'am, I can take, but you will have to,
There's a folder. In pictures, Amina, there's a folder called screenshots.
Ma'am, how do I go?
Ma'am, I don't see
Yes.
that.
Or go in
Amina,
videos,
are
in
you using
captures.
Windows?
Yes,
Sakleen,
ma'am.
just
Ma'am,
do
I
it.
took a full screen snip.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm using laptop. I can't screen snapshot.
Muni, you can still screenshot in the laptop.
how?
Okay, ma'am, I got it, ma'am. I can share the screen. I got it.
Yes, Amina will share the screen. It's the right side. Okay, don't do the left one. It's for the other team.
Ma'am, what do we have to do?
I told you, right? The past form of irregular verb is given. You have to write it in the present form.
Acha.
Yeah, and be as fast as possible because you're competing with the other team.
You're completing the?
Other team.
You're competing with the other team, so you have to be fast.
Ma'am, we have to write it down.
Ma'am,
Yes,
all have to write it down or only one?
Everybody, or just one could write. I mean,
Who's good at writing, fast at writing?
who can write fast?
Ma'am, I can write.
Okay, Muni.
Go ahead. Go ahead, Muni.
It would be eat. Like that, ma'am?
No, only that built one.
Acha.
Built, fit,
Build would be build. The B-U-I. Right.
Shared the screen, ma'am.
Fit would be
B-U-I-L-D.
should we go like this? Build and fit.
No, we will go in this.
The build will be
Oh yeah.
Font will be
build,
burned.
right?
Burnt will be burned.
Okay.
Burned and not burn.
And
Only B-U-R-N.
B-U-R-N.
Sorry, one.
Then this verse would be leave it. Came would be
Ignore
come.
that. Came.
Worst
Did-
क्या है?
नहीं मालूम. चलो. बस का busted शायद से.
I read this past tense already.
हाँ वही लिख दो. Came would be come.
Come.
फिर did का.
Ride.
Cold. Right
No,
hand.
no, no.
Right.
Road का ride. Rose.
Rise.
It will be right.
Rise.
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 Said का.
Sang. Sing.
Say.
हाँ.
Yeah, it will be say.
Sang. Sung.
In idea to instead of one person writing 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 rows. There are 4 people. Take one row. You'll finish.
Ma'am, we are
First row.
Munib, you can take the first row. Safia can take the second row. I can take the third, and Sakleen can take the fourth.
हाँ.
Come on, go ahead fast. That way you'll finish faster and
Ma'am,
you'll
what
reach
is
the
answer
main
for
session
fit?
sooner.
Fit.
Don't ask me.
Ma'am, we have to make in present, right? Present.
Okay, there are certain irregular verbs that do not change at all. So you
Like burst. Right?
Yes, ma'am, like burst.
Burst doesn't have anything.
Or read.
Ma'am, we have to make in present or we have to make in past?
Burst
as it,
can
as
change
it
the
is
written.
already given in the past, Amina.
Ma'am, burst will not change.
No.
Ma'am, watch trod.
Ma'am, how will knit be a present, ma'am? Knit is present only, na?
And what about fit?
Oh, okay.
Ma'am, fit would be same, like, right?
Yes.
Fit would be
Don't
fit.
ask me, I'm going. You guys are asking for answers. That team was not asking answers at all. They were silently doing their work. Nonsense.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, in the third row, it's given laid and lay also is given. So, how is that?
Laid मतलब
Laid and lay. So, I thought of laid, lay will be, but then lay
अरे
is also
egg lay वाला laid होगा कोई ना एक
Shit.
और एक laid मतलब लेटना होगा.
क्या है?
So for lay, it can be lay and laid.
Sleep.
Okay?
So, for laid will be lay and for lay it will be laid.
For
Okay.
lay is for
Friend
both.
change नहीं हो सकता.
Ma'am, what does fit mean?
I came up with a name for your book.
Ma'am,
Magic
what
shop.
What, ma'am?
Magic shop. Magic shop.
Fun.
How is that magic shop, ma'am?
Ma'am.
Also, ma'am, I had another thing I wanted to tell you. That book will be based on like an artistic perspective only. So, like people who have
Okay.
art supplies, they really buy it, obviously. So it's gonna be most like an
Right.
art journal.
Scent will not change only, ma'am.
So I'll think of a new thing. I'll explain why it is
Ma'am, what
magic
does
shop.
spread
Maybe
mean?
we can schedule a meeting tomorrow. No,
Yes,
not
ma'am.
tomorrow. Tomorrow I have a meeting. I'll
Ma'am,
see in the evening. I'll message
what
you.
does
Then you
spread
can
mean?
Ma'am,
Spread.
in the evening at 6 o'clock, you're free, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, there are two wrote in the last row.
Yes, that's right. One is for write and one is for read.
Ma'am, in Milo there are many words which are like
Spread.
this cannot change only.
Too chatty, Yola. Seriously.
Ma'am, I completed.
Ma'am, what does flu mean?
Flew to
Acha, fly.
look at this girl
The word.
Ma'am, what is
eliciting all the
stuck?
answers.
Stuck. You're stuck. Stuck is present.
मैम
So,
शर्ट का
two?
शर्ट ही रहेगा ना मैं शर्ट मतलब दो शर्ट है
Amina stuck the paper. Did Amina dash it?
मैम शर्ट का शर्ट रहेगा
Eh?
शर्ट का क्या रहेगा
Stuck,
ही
ma'am.
रहेगा
Stuck.
वो शर्ट रहते one is shut up that one shirt and the other one Amina shut the door which one shut
Set. Why are you doing set when you have been given the second row?
मैम I'm doing
Satya.
the second row I said shut up and shut there two shut na like
Yes.
I shut the door no there's
Yeah.
one what is the real meaning you said shut will only be there right
Ah,
thank you ma'am you gave that
stuck Amina.
Stuck, I did not
Stick.
get.
Stick and stuck.
It's stuck.
clap sleep then
Was stuck on the word stuck.
slit sled ma'am what does slit mean
I don't know.
ma'am
There is only one word that.
what if
Slid.
I don't know the meaning
Pisalna.
huh
To slide is slid.
slide thank you
I'm going by. You guys
I'm
are
doing the
taking
third
answers.
row, right? I'm doing the third row, right?
Yes.
yeah
I have done first row. Safia Didi is doing second row, and Amina is doing third and.
slung would be slung right
What is the meaning of stank?
Tank.
After stung, it is there.
yeah
Tank itself is a present word, right?
right slung leave it
Google.
But I'm sharing screen. If I
Awesome.
go on Google, then this whole thing will go on Google.
So anyone else Google?
fine
I'll just Google on the phone.
slide yeah salt what is salt
Amp we swim. No, that is one. So amp.
slung
Slingshot is there? No sling.
I'll leave that is cell spread is sold is sell na
Huh?
sold is sell right
Yes.
Oh, stank is that. Stink.
Ah, yeah.
south
Uh-huh.
what
Pat, spit, spade, speed, spend,
spread speed
spend. Spent will become spend, and split will become. Split will not become anything. Spoke will become speak. Spread will become nothing.
Swept will become sweep.
where is swept
It's in the third row.
अच्छा
Sprung will become spring.
इसमें कितने वर्ड है
Spring. Spun will be spun.
spun
Spin.
हाँ
Spin.
spin see fit is fit then flight is wait fly No, sled is this.
Knit will become knot. Laid will. Knit will become knot.
What did you say?
Knit will become knot.
Acha. And laid would be lay.
And lay would be lay only.
That
Leap will be leap.
No, lay would be then laid, na?
No, it will be lay only.
Acha.
It is
Leap
already
is-
past tense. You have to convert it in present tense.
I thought fit is fit. Then sled would be this flew.
Yes. And flew will be flew only. And forgot will be
Forget.
yes. And shut will be
No, flew would be fly.
ha. Flew would be fly. No? Leap will be-
I'm done with all my words.
I am also already done with my words.
Is it?
I don't know what is the
everybody done?
meaning of slung.
Slung means a sling. It will become sling. It is a slingshot. It is a toy. Slung
See,
is-
fit is fit. Then sled is flew.
The
Then
second is slung is sling.
forgot. Forgot is forget. Then what is left? Flew would be fly. Shut would be shut only. Then slept is sleep.
Forget.
Then slid would be slide.
Everybody
Sling
done.
would be sling. Yeah.
Second done.
Sold would be sell.
So Didi, you are done, no?
What does south mean?
Everyone is done.
Only one is left. What does south mean?
What?
What does SOUGHT mean?
Sort.
We sort everything.
True, Chair, they have completed
Ma'am, only
those
pencil
already.
is left. Sort will be
Sort turn.
like if there is a ball and pen, so we will
हाँ.
put a pen aside and ball
तो
aside.
sort ही लिखते.
Yes. Ma'am, we are done, ma'am.
I'm
Go,
also
go,
done
go,
with
go to the main room then.
my- 1 minute, let me stop sharing.
Square, spit,
Stop sharing. Should I stop sharing?
spade.
Yeah.
Spade would be. Ma'am, done. Ma'am, how many words were there?
Go to the main room. Everybody's in the main room.
So, who are the first ones to reach the main session room?
Mozam
We were-
Muttar bhai. Ma'am, you are talking about the team or one person?
The team, the team. Any one
Ma'am,
person
but-
from the team reaches, the team wins. Okay. So Eminem's team were the first one to reach. Though you guys completed all together, but they reached the main session first. So they are definitely the winners. Yeah. So we'll go ahead and we'll discuss. Yay, Abdullah. Yes. So we'll go ahead and we'll discuss the answers of team 1, the winners. Come on. I'll share my screen. They had the left hand side table to solve. Okay. Go ahead. Who will take the lead? Come on.
Am I?
Yes.
8.
Okay, second team, 1 minute for the bit. Second team, you have to keep a check whether they are correct or no. If they are incorrect in any form, they get it wrong, the victory goes to you. Come on.
8.
Go ahead.
8. Eat. Awoke. Awake. Beat. Beat. Became. Become. Began. Begin. Bend. Bend. Bet. Bet. Bit. Bite. Bled. Bleed. Blew. Blow. Bore. Bear. Bought. Buy. Bound. Bind. Bread. Breed. Broadcast. Broadcast. Broke. Break. Brought. Bring.
Lovely. Second column. Come on. Relay. Who's there for you? Your second column.
Okay.
I'm Humaira. You gave Humaira the second column.
Anna, go ahead. She doesn't answer the victory. The chance goes to the next team. Come on.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
cast, casting, caught, catch, chose, choose, clung, clang, cost. I didn't wrote it for cost. Crept, crepting, cut, cutting.
Okay. Okay. Stop right there.
Ma'am,
Second team.
Yes, ma'am.
Team 2. Team 2. Team 2. Come on. They couldn't complete their second column.
Ma'am, I should start, ma'am.
Yes. We start with your first column. Team 2.
Build, build, burnt, burn, came, come,
ये
rid,
बस्ट किधर है?
Burst. Burst.
Ma'am, burst will be the same only.
So you have to still say it. Burst. Burst.
Okay, burst,
Hmm.
came, come,
Hmm.
rid, ride, row,
Hmm.
sorry,
1
row,
minute. Read, ride.
sorry, ma'am, road, ride. Ma'am, I didn't write of rid, ma'am.
Okay. Team 1. The chance goes, one mistake from the other team, the chance goes to the other team. All right, like until you get it right. All right, come on. Team 1, would you like to try your second column?
Yes,
Though
ma'am.
you did not
Yes,
solve
ma'am.
it, go ahead.
Yes, ma'am, I'll
go,
do
go,
it.
go for your team. Come on, do it.
Mozam, you are telling or I'll tell?
We'll tell it.
Okay,
Or
tell.
you can take half.
Okay.
Let's divide
You
it up.
start.
Perfect.
You start.
Cast, cast, caught, catch, choose, chose, choose, clung, cling, cost, cost, crept, creep, cut, cut, dealt, deal, did, do. Abdullah.
Lovely. Abdullah, over to you. I can only hear ding, 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 ding. Abdullah, your voice is breaking. You guys could hear him?
No, ma'am.
Oh, yeah.
No.
Abdullah, we only heard ding, 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 ding. I don't know whether you automatically turned into Ninja
ma'am, he
Hattori or what it was.
said,
Dreamt,
he said we gave up.
Hey, be quiet.
No, Saklan, I thought he said ding, 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 ding. Ninja Hattori. Chalo. Okay, fine.
Dreamt.
Drink,
Dream.
drank.
Again? Okay, okay. Drank, drink,
Sorry. No. Yeah.
dreamt, dream, drew, draw, drove.
Lovely.
We cannot hear you. Start again from Doug.
Hey, Mataji. Oh my God. Okay, wait. Okay, team 2. I'm sorry, Abdullah. Bad connection, but
Ma'am, can I say it in?
yes. Okay, Farhana, continue. You know, this is what I like about that team. One player falls, the other is up to take it. Come on, go ahead.
Drove, drive, dug, dig, fed, feed, fell, fall, felt, feel.
Lovely. Third
Flung, fling.
row.
Ma'am, can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, I can hear you very clearly. Go ahead.
Flung, fling, fought, fight, found, find, froze, freeze, gave, give, grew, grow, ground,
Fast, Abdullah, fast. Yeah.
yes, ground, grind, or grind, get,
Grind.
got, grind, got, get, heard, hear, help, hid, hide, hit, hung, hang, hurt, kept, keep, knelt, kneel, knew, know.
Excellent. Last row. Team 1.
Learn, lead, lend, lend, let, lit, light, lost, made, make, and
Stop right there.
How can
Lost.
it be?
Lost. Yes, again, what is your question?
lost, ma'am, lost.
Lost. Okay, team 2, you have a chance. Come on, team 2.
सही था.
Nahi sahi tha.
Lost, lose.
Lose.
Yes, Saklan. Thank you. It's loose. All right, team 2, start with your column. Come on, fast. 2 minutes for the lecture to end. Let's see. They were
Second
so
column,
close to victory and yet they stopped right on lose. I don't know who will lose now. Come on. First column, Muneeb said
Ma'am, read पे अटक गया था.
read. Yes.
I
read.
didn't write anything of it.
Come on, go ahead with the
You.
road.
Ma'am, road से चालू करूँ.
Yes, fast.
Road
1
right,
minute.
rose rise, said say, sang sing, sank sink, sat sit, saw see,
Saw, see, saw. Okay, yeah, got it right. Right. Sorry, Muneeb.
send, set, ma'am set, shown, shake, shot, shoot.
Shown का क्या है?
Hey, क्या?
Shown का क्या है?
Shown, what is for shown?
कुछ नहीं.
नहीं कुछ नहीं किया. हारने वाले हो तुम लोग बस.
Ma'am, shown is shine.
Ma'am, shown, shine. Shown,
Okay.
shine, shoot, shake, shot, shoot,
Lovely.
shrink.
Okay. Second column. Who was there for second column?
Can I say? It
Yes.
is fit. Fled is flew. Flew would be fly.
What? No.
Fled is flew.
No, man. Wait.
If no, then why are you answering that?
Okay. Flew is fly, right?
First say
What
fled.
is fled? First say
Yes.
fled. Okay,
Ma'am.
team one. Come on,
No,
claim
no,
your
no.
victory. Team 1.
Yes,
Go ahead.
finish.
Farhana, claim your victory. Go ahead. Farhana, let me tell you.
Lost. From lost, ma'am.
Lost is
Flee. Ma'am, flee.
Okay, made. Start from made, Farhana. Make. Okay.
Make, mend, mean, met, meet, misspelled, misspell, mistook, mistake,
Lovely.
overcome, overdo, overthrow, overtake, pay,
Farhana, you cannot do this to your team. Stop it.
put.
Wrong. Out. Ma'am, time out. vote, voting.
Suckling, don't be
Let us
jealous,
keep.
Suckling. Suckling, don't be jealous.
It was keep,
I
man.
am not jealous.
Yeah? For keep? No, put.
Yeah.
Put was put, right? It's gonna be put. It cannot be put
Suckling,
it.
don't
We
be jealous.
don't put it the claim on other people. They got their victory. They earned it. So let's give a round of applause for them. Good work, team 1. Team 2, excellent. You did your best. No problem. On this note, I leave
Well
you
tried,
and
well
I'll
tried.
see you in the next class. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Take care.